Hey there, welcome to Gander Flight. I have got some super exciting news today. Gander Flight is splitting into two channels. I'm announcing a new RV specific channel today called RV Gear and Far. So what does that mean going forward? That means that all of my DIY projects are gonna stay here on Gander Flight. I'm gonna be migrating over my RV content over to RV Gear and Far and posting all of my RV stuff over there. So what that means for you guys is if you're here for RV stuff, unsubscribe from Gander Flight, jump over to RV Gear and Far. I'll put a link in the description below and subscribe over there. That's where all the RV stuff's gonna be. Gander Flight's still gonna be all the DIY projects. So if you're here for DIY, stay here. Awesome, glad to have you. This is a super quick video and a super exciting update, but I wanted to let you know, if you're here for RV gear, jump on over and subscribe to RV Gear and Far, because that's where it's all gonna be. DIY, Gander Flight. So Gander Flight DIY, RV Gear and Far is where all the RV stuff's gonna be. I'm super excited for this new announcement and this new channel, and I'm really excited to give more DIY content specifically to Gander Flight and more RV content specifically over to RV Gear and Far. I think separating the two into very specific niches is going to perform better. You guys are gonna get better content, and overall it's the better move for me, my family, and you guys as the audience. So drop me a comment down below, let me know what you think of it, and I'll see you over on RV Gear and Far. All you RVers, DIYers, I'll see you on the next video here on Gander Flight.